Hi everybody, I got something new today and we are going to do an unboxing. This is a present for my hubby so that I can work more efficient, hopefully. So as you can tell, it has an Apple logo on it. So I wonder what's inside of here. Well, we're just going to have to see. Oh, looks like a MacBook Air. Oh, this puppy's heavy. Oh, and it's gold. I got the best hubby in the world. Sorry that my video is a little off. I'm using this new thing that I have around my neck to hold my phone up, and it just kind of keeps moving. And you probably hear my dog munching on dog food in the background. And well, my husband got him a new little play toy, so you're going to hear little sounds from it. But this is our unboxing. So, cellophane off. This thing is surprisingly heavy. It's only a 13-inch because I'm used to an iPad. So hopefully it's a lot of the box. Woo! Looky there, how pretty. Now to get it out of the box. Oh, it's got a little tab. Shows you what I know. Yes, the majority of the weight was the box. Oh, gold. Of course, look, everything's silver on me or white gold. One gold ring. But hey, if they would have had rose gold, I would have taken it too. Now, oops. Let's turn it around and open it up. Oh. And did you hear that? It's starting up. It should have a little bit of a charge in it so that I can just, set it up. And yes, we're going with English. And we're going with, yeah, I know I can type Canada, but I just do it this way anyhow. Canada. Oops. Not used to having a mouse pad.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If
Oh.
you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
We'll just go the old-fashioned way. I think. Oh. Let's try this Command F5. Command F. Don't have my glasses on.
On Setup Assistant, window. Accessibility has keyboard focus. You are currently on a text element.
Cool. All right, I'm on a text element. All right, so I don't know what I'm doing. My iMac is from the end of 2012. It still runs great. It's still in great condition. I still even have the box from it. So, and my iPad wasn't too far after that. It was the first iPad Pro. So it's like, do I know how to set this thing up? I don't know. I don't know which to do first. So let's just go over here and see. Vision. You know what? We're just going to leave the accessibility options for later.
Select your Wi-Fi network. You are currently on a text element.
My Wi-Fi? How about my Wi-Fi? And this is the one I always go with because it's the strongest.
Table, row 2 of 17. ant_Athena_5.0. Lock image Wi-Fi icon with full strength. Image password. Secure edit text.
Wi-Fi.
You are currently on a text field inside of a scroll area. To enter text in this field, type This is a secure text field. Text typed into this field will not be displayed and will not be spoken by voiceover. To stop interacting with this scroll area, press Control, Option, Shift, up arrow.
Okay, I got to remember my Wi-Fi password. He doesn't know how to say Wi-Fi. Just like Siri doesn't know how to say Ogilvy, which is a road here in Dundas. She calls it all kinds of things. Honey, does our password start with a 2?
For which?
The Wi-Fi password?
I think 59.
Oh, okay. So, all right, guys, don't look at my password. I don't care if you see my password or not. You're not going to get my MacBook Air. Come on. Oh, now it's going to be. Most of those on there are ours.
You are currently on a text element.
Okay, so we're just going to continue. And I forget how to turn him off.
Migration Assistant. You are currently on a text element.
I don't want to transfer any information.
In alert dialog, cancel button. Connect AC power. Your Mac is running on battery power. It is strongly recommended that you connect your Mac to AC power before migrating. You are currently on a button. To click this button, press Control, Option, Space.
Okay, well, let's just...
Empty scroll area.
I
You are
don't...
currently on a text element.
But I don't want to do any migration assistant.
Data and privacy. You are currently on a text element.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so, well, that's the unboxing of this. It wants me to plug in, and so I have to go somewhere where I can actually plug it in to one of my really good, oh, I forget what they're called now. Yeah, one of those things. But, so, because I don't want to migrate anything over, I've got to go on my phone and figure out what I need to do next, because I don't want to do this. I don't have anything to migrate over because I'm still keeping my iPad, still keeping my iPhone, still keeping my iMac. So there. So there, I just undid the cord. All right, so that's the unboxing of my new, I keep wanting to call it an iPad, my MacBook Air. And I did get 16 gig and 1 terabyte drive, and it's the 816 gig, so 8 core, 8 something or other, and 16 something or other. So all I know is that it was a lot of money, but I think I'm going to enjoy it. It's been, well, almost 10 years since I've had a new one, so here we go. All right, bye.